everyone, my name is Shambhavi. Hope you all are doing well. So, as into the previous video, we were making up the histograms for different columns, maybe for the age fill column with the survivors, right? So, like we had just simply we are using the age column with all the other columns, because into our complete analysis, that is one of the columns which would give us a good value, good insights also, right? That is what we have here. So now next, moving on, what we will be doing, we will be further plotting up some more plots. Okay, so now here we have histogram, and this time histogram is to the age fill and the females, right? So age fill and females, right? That is age fill for the females. Now this is what we will be trying to analyze between the age fill and females, fine. So let's get down here and write the programs. So plt dot subplot to grid, right? In the bracket we are having fig underscore dimensions comma 0 comma 0. Okay, that is okay. Now not 0 comma 0, it will be 1 comma 0, because we just want it to be onto a new row, right? Okay, next is females underscore df, that variable, a new variable, right? Df underscore t, and now in the bracket again will be df underscore t, right? And this time again into the bracket we will be having up a column, so this column, right? And 1 minute, like this, right? We will be setting this equal to 0. Okay, this will be equal to the 0, and this df, it will be in the small brackets, not in the large brackets, like this and like this. Okay, after that we are having and, then we are having df underscore t, bracket we are having survived. Okay, that will be equal to 1. Fair enough. So this bracket and my survived, it is equal to 1, and both of the brackets are closed. Okay, one bracket will be here for the complete closing, like this, right? And after that I would just simply write again that females underscore df, that column, in the bracket age f, my column name, right? Age f, dot, we will be making up a histogram, so hist, and I would simply just write my range. So my range will be equal to 1 comma max, max underscore age. And in the same way I would make a histogram with my age fill and the passenger class. So age fill and passenger class, plt dot subplot to grid. In the bracket we are having fig dimensions, comma, we have 2 comma 0, fine. Next we are having underscore 1 underscore df. Okay, now that will be equal to my again df underscore t, bracket, small bracket, df underscore t, that is my data into which we have read out the complete data. Now into the bracket we are having if this p class. Okay, now that p class is equal to 1, and we will again be having, so df underscore t, in the bracket we are having this time survived, okay, and that will be equal to 1. Okay, and further moving, we will just plot the histogram. So class underscore 1 underscore df, bracket we will be having age f column, dot histogram, and in the bracket we will be just writing up the range. So range is equal to 1 comma max age. Okay, that is enough, and it's the time for running this out. Perhaps you forgot a comma. Where did I forgot a comma? Okay, sorry, max underscore h. Okay, what is it happening? So the spelling is not right. Survived. Great. So now we are having the histograms, all the 3 histograms with us over here, right? So my very first histogram, that is all about between the age fill for the survivors. Second is between my age fill and the females. A third one is between my age fill and the passenger class. So now after once we are done with the making up of all of these respective ones, all of these respective plots, now see, we are actually a little bit of like getting a little bit idea regarding different columns connected with the other different columns, right? So even we are having the density plots, we have made up the scatter plot, a few of the histograms here also. So by combining all of those particular ones, we are able to get in some little bit of information about our complete plot, about our complete analysis. So it's all about whenever you are doing up some plots, whenever you are planning to make up some plots, some graphs, so every time we require the making up of using up the correct columns for making up of our graphs. Because if you haven't used up the correct columns for making up the correct graphs, it might create up a problem every time, because if you are not able to get insights from the plots or from the data which you are using or which you have made, there is no such use of just making up of those particular plots. It's completely useless. So this is how you simply just try to make up different figures, different plots from different variables with the help of different variables, and you just simply try to use them over here for your good analysis of your complete data. So as into this complete analysis up till now, right, up till this particular point into the whole analysis, we have just simply used out our different kind of plots, right? We have just even made the bar graphs, we have made the line charts, we had even made the maybe the scatter plots, the histograms. So with the help of all of those particular plots, we are able to get in some informations about our complete data. So we imported the libraries, we have simply processed out our data over here, checked and gained some informations about the data, like your null values, your statistical values, each and every single thing, right? Then we have simply started out with the visualization. So the visualization method which we had done over here, that was quite a little different one. So what we were doing, we were just simply using one column, right? We were making a cross tab of that particular column and we were visualizing. So this is like we have just simply taken different features and we are simply trying to visualize those different features. So this is all how we have simply planned to make up this particular thing, right? So I hope you have now gotten an idea that basically how we can simply do some good analysis and making some good plots with the help of our columns which you are having. Now furthermore, we will be making up some columns and then we will be even applying up a ML algorithm so as to get in some good exact idea about our data, right? So if you've enjoyed this video, do share this video with friends, do like this video, and do not forget to subscribe out my channel. We'll see you there in the next video.